Oh my god, guys, look at this. ये स्ट्रक्चर गिर गया है. अगर इसके नीचे अगर कोई होता तो it was very risky. So here it was a heavy windy environment, due to which it has fallen down. So always stay away and do not park any of your vehicles under this. This is very risky, these kind of structures. And I have worked for abroad projects, so there they do the wind analysis before installing such kind of structures, and a proper engineer approves for that. The design is approved, then only these kind of structures are installed. Otherwise these are a risk to someone's life. It is risk to nation's population. Take care, guys.